Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mix reel. First, open your preferred digital audio workstation, or DAW, like Ableton Live or Logic Pro. Create a new project and set your sample rate to 44.1 kHz and bit depth to 24-bit for optimal sound. Import all the audio files you wish to include, making sure they are clearly labeled and easily accessible for the next steps. Now, carefully listen to your tracks and identify the strongest 1-minute to 2-minute sections that best showcase your abilities. Drag these selected clips into your DAW's timeline. Arrange them in an order that tells a story or highlights a progression of your skills. Ensure smooth transitions between each clip by applying short crossfades, typically around 1/2 second, to avoid abrupt cuts and maintain listener engagement. With your clips arranged, it's time to mix and polish your reel. Start by adjusting the volume of each segment so that the overall loudness is consistent throughout. Next, apply basic equalization to enhance clarity and balance the frequencies, removing any harshness or muddiness. Finally, use light compression to even out the dynamics, making your reel sound more professional and impactful without overprocessing the audio. Once your mix reel sounds perfect, it's time to export. First, export a high-quality WAV file at 44.1 kHz and 24-bit for archival purposes. Then, create an MP3 version at 320 kilobits per second, which is ideal for online sharing and streaming platforms. Upload your reel to your website, social media, or portfolio. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, to help you stay organized and efficient in your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.